All right, hello everyone, and welcome back to Our Trades. It's good to be with you. In this video, I'm going to recap the current state of my 300,000 Apex Trader Funding Challenge. Going to talk to you about where I'm at now. It's already on the screen, but I'll tell you some of my observations. Guys, if you are interested in trading using Apex Trader Funding, please make sure to use my affiliate link, which is in the description box below on YouTube, and it's also going to be in the top reply on X, guys. You can get a discount and trade using Apex Trader Funding using my affiliate link. Okay, guys, so with that being said, it is April 7th, and there has been a lot of news in the markets regarding tariffs and that sort of thing. Where I'm at right now, guys, is I'm on a 300K challenge, and I'm currently sitting at 312,324.34. So I'm about 8,000 away from passing. My trailing drawdown is currently at 63.60. Not, it's not where I want it to be. So the way that the Apex Trader Funding works is that there's a trailing drawdown that follows your maximum high point of wherever your account was. So I was higher on the day at some point by about 1,200. So the maximum drawdown is 7,500. One of my observations is that with these are all the different products that I trade on the Apex Trader Funding account. I do trade using Trading View. So you can see here on the right side of the screen, I trade the major indices, some of our Forex pairs, although I don't trade those as much. I did trade a little bit of crude oil today, as well as a little bit of gold. Some things here on the market, guys. Crude oil is sitting pretty low. Crude oil sitting down at 60.96. So crude oil has been beaten up. Gold has been moving down, so gold futures hit a high on the 2nd of April, 32.016. We're now sitting down below 3,000 on gold futures. I think I did take some shorts on that. One thing I want to mention is that if I pass this combine or if I pass this challenge, which I'm hoping that I will, I hope I don't have to reset it. I have already had to reset it once. It's my own fault. Um, Even one NQ contract has generally been too much. I think that if I pass the challenge, I'll probably just trade the big contracts till I pass the challenge. If I pass the challenge, but once I get to the performance account, I'm probably just going to switch to the micros, honestly, because we've had a lot of volatility. You can trade up to 35 micros, so uh, I don't really think I need to be trading the full size contracts. That's kind of my observation with trading this. My other observation with trading on today's action was very choppy. Um, this is not price action that I think is very favorable to the day trader. Just not really trending. Very choppy. There was a move in the AM session here on Monday. There was a move higher that maybe you could have gotten a part of, or even the move lower. But as we got into this trading range, I think it became kind of less tradable, to be honest with you. I like to see nice trending markets, although I did trade it. I think crude oil going in, this was a nice move higher. So crude oil, I think you could have gotten in on crude oil, although again, that would have been kind of a tough move. Um, Gold futures is where I think that there's been some clear movement. So kind of a clear trend down all day today. A little bit of a rally coming into the afternoon, but for the morning session, the pre-market session, we were trending down. And I think that if you are looking to try and trade trending markets and to trade in the direction of that clear trend, which is what I recommend doing, I think gold futures were trending today, and that was a better play. So there was a little bit of a move here from 9:45 to 10 Eastern Standard Time, but after that, the gold futures moved down. You can see that we had a high point in the session of 3,056 spot three, and we had a low of 2,970 spot four. The market ended up closing a little bit higher than that. Personally, I think that it looks like gold was probably your best bet. Another thing, guys, British pound futures. If you are trading on Apex, you can trade any of the currency futures, commodities, or the Forex futures. So the currency futures, British pound was straight down today, and I think that would have been a pretty good trending move up. There was an opportunity here to get in on this short, and that looks like from an ICT perspective, This was an immediate rebalance that the market came back and retested. So you can see that immediate rebalance right there. Market came back and tested that and then moved lower. And we ended up just running that liquidity at the very end of the day below 1.2711. The market has been trending down on the British pound, and this would have been a nice and fairly easy move, I think. So, guys, if you're not getting the kind of trending moves that you want in your primary markets, don't be afraid to trade something else. Um, in my opinion, where I'm at currently in my trading, and I know that I've said things differently in the past, where I'm at in trading is I'm looking for trending markets and I'm looking to get in on that trend. So when you see a situation like here on the ES where it's just trading back and forth, you're watching this throughout the middle of the day. It's difficult to trade this, in my opinion, especially if you're trying to be a trend follower, which is what I want to do. And right now, I'd really only be looking for shorts considering these market conditions, right? We had a new week opening gap. The market ran a lot higher than that and closed near the new week opening gap. You can see a lot of action around the new week opening gap, which I think was to be kind of expected. There was some kind of fake news that came out today, a Benzinga report or something, that apparently popped the market higher in the morning, and then that turned out to be fake news. So with that being said, guys, I would still only be looking for shorts in this market, but looking at today's intraday session, that I think that might have been tough. All right, guys, this has been Our Trades back with another video. Basically, the long and the short of this video is I'm up on my challenge account. I'll let you know if I pass. Um, I think that going into Apex, if you're trading a 300K account, I would recommend trading the largest account, by the way, uh, because it gives you the most room to work with. So I would trade on a sale and I'd trade the largest account. Um, I think that your easiest trending market to trade was probably the British pound, which was straight down. Gold had a nice move down as well. Crude oil was tougher after that move higher in the morning. And then our index futures were pretty choppy, and I think that was probably tougher than usual price action, not sort of clearly straight down as we've been moving in the past. So you could see last week that move was every single time that the market rallied, you short it, you made money. It made a new low every time. That's the kind of market that I want to trade, a clearly trending market. This detrending market, I think, is a lot tougher to trade, and I'd probably trade other products. Okay, guys, it's been Our Trades back here with another video. Thank you. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you are an X, give me a follow. And please make sure to like and engage on this video. Bye-bye.